Welcome to my video on the electronic snap circuits. I'm going to do project number 1 today, demonstrate how that works and explain some of the basic electricity. Electric light and switch. The objective is to show electricity is turned on or off with a switch. So here's the basic circuits. We've got a battery here, a lamp, connecting wire, and then we've got a switch. A very simple circuit, but it illustrates some basic points. So now I'm going to assemble it, put the battery in here, and then up here I want to put the lamp. Just going to follow right along with the book instructions. Put the switch in there, then I do the interconnecting wires. There's number 2. And number 2. Okay, so now I've completed the circuit. I've got, just per the directions, the battery, the light, the switch, and the wires. Now let's turn it on and see what happens. There we go. Maybe a little hard to see due to the lighting, but you can see as I turn that on and off, the light comes on. So off and on. What this is when the light is on, we're completing the circuit. The electricity is flowing through the wires and through the lamp from the batteries. That's called a closed circuit. Now when I open the circuit by breaking the contact within the switch, now I form an open circuit and no electricity is flowing, so the lamp doesn't light. So this is a pretty simple one, but we're going to do some more complex ones, but this gives you an illustration of some basic concepts in electricity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.